Billions of people still live without electricity, while hundreds and millions more live with unreliable and expensive power supply, which poses a key barrier to economic development. Our story in this episode is about how Green Power Overseas Limited helped the Lagos State Environmental Protection Agency, LASEPA, to develop and implement an energy transition strategy that resulted in the installation of the 60 kilowatt solar hybrid system for its laboratory. My name is Peace Christopher. It's no secret that Nigerian leaders have a lot of work to do in terms of providing a stable and clean electricity supply for its citizens. How long are we going to continue with poor electricity supply, polluting our environment with petrol or diesel generator?
How long are we going to continue spending so much on fossil fuel?
Only the person that wears the shoes knows where exactly it hurts. Everyone deserves a stable electricity. When the Lagos State Environmental Protection Agency, LASEPA, found itself in need of a stable and reliable power supply for its laboratory services department, they turned to us. We are Green Power. We are the leading renewable energy service provider in Nigeria. Since 2006, we've had our footprint virtually in all the sector of the Nigerian economy, helping individuals, businesses, and government establishments to develop and implement their energy transition strategy from diesel to solar energy.
The equipment that you have here are supposed to have 24/7 uninterrupted power at any point in time. They're highly sensitive, and you don't want any power outage. In fact, they are the major reason why the partnership had to come in. To God be the glory, here we are. Definitely, solar is actually an asset. You can't will it away, neither can you wish it away. We are in the business of environmental protection. So as much as possible, we are encouraging people to go green. And solar is indeed green. Because of the greenness of solar and the newness, it's a bit expensive. So anybody that can afford it, I would definitely encourage them to go for solar.
We are pleased to hear that the project has significantly reduced your diesel cost by over 60%. This positive feedback is a testament to the effectiveness of the solar system, and we are delighted to have played a role in helping you save on energy costs.
So my name is Idowu Adeshola Michael, currently the Head Technical Green Power Overseas Limited. Working with LASEPA has been challenging, and remember some few months back when they called us to carry out a site inspection at their facility to really power their labs with a renewable energy source. So we went and do a site inspection, upon which we submit a report to them, and afterwards they asked us to come up with our designs and quotations, which we also did. After several ups and downs, bargaining, negotiation, we were awarded the contracts, and within few months, the project kick off, and the project is all about giving them a 60 kVA solar system, specifically to power their labs. And It was a big one for us because we want to also get ourselves to Lagos State that we have an indigenous company in Lagos that can support and give them renewable energy services. Actually, the system adopts a 52 kilowatt peak solar solutions, and we have 144 kilowatt hour storage. We also have a standby generator as a means of a backup in case of bad weather and the system could not charge optimally. And this took us just 2 months, and the system is up to now, since we commissioned, is still working fine, no issues. And this has also given back to other jobs from Lagos State. And we see ourselves as Lagos State government branded solar solutions company. And I think with very soon we are going into other sectors too, because LASEPA is part of Lagos State body. Okay, let me tell you about the system adopted for the LASEPA project. We have a 60 kVA inverter. It's an off-grid inverter. We have 132 numbers of 400 watt solar panels, monocrystalline. We also have 144 kilowatt hour storage of batteries, and other materials that will couple up to give these solutions. And you can see for yourself the pictures of the installations. The panels were mounted on the roof, and the inverter and the batteries are installed in the inverter room dedicated for it. And you can see the jet switch, the changeovers, the panels that distribute the loads to the various labs, and the system is up and running.
My name is Olani Johnson Orimison. I joined Green Power Overseas Limited a very long time ago, even as a sales person, as a sales executive. But currently, I'm the general manager. I got to know Green Power Overseas Limited as far as 2008. So what that means is that Green Power was like 3 years old before I joined Green Power. So basically, it was established as a corporate entity in the year 2006. Over the years, Green Power have been working with companies across the length and breadth of the sectors of the Nigerian economy. And we have even worked overseas in the neighboring African countries. Our area of operation involves around power electronics. Power electronics basically in the area of solar PV solutions, power backup solutions in the area of UPS, industrial UPSs. But recently we have arms that goes into electrical, in the area of electrical solutions, or the electrical installations, LV and the MLVs. Now, basically, in the area of solar PV, we work even with the likes of Total Nigeria, we work with the likes of UNDP. UNDP is a United Nations Development Program. We work with the likes of MOBI in the area of power electronics. We work with the likes of SPDC, which is Shell in the area of power electronics. We work with the likes of, we work with lots of banks. There was a year I was handling more than 250 ATM sites for a bank, specifically for EcoBank. So on this site, I decided that we actually installed our power backup solutions for. And for the banks too, in the banking industry, we work with the like of EcoBank, as I've made mention of, GTB, work with the likes of Standard Chartered Bank, works with the likes of Access Bank. Nonetheless, the solution provided for them varies. Then there are some state government that we work for, okay, specifically for Lagos State. Over the years, we have provided power for their hospitals, and we are still doing that.
We are so proud of the feedback we have gotten from LASEPA to manage and translate their energy transition strategy. And we look forward to doing even more with other government establishments, businesses, and individuals.
We can boldly say that solar system is one of the greatest assets anyone can acquire right now because the world is going through unprecedented energy crisis. At Green Power, we are always available to help you manage your energy transition strategy with an impressive outcome like LASEPA. Go solar with Green Power. For more information, you can follow us up on our social media platform below and watch out for our next success story. My name is Peace Christopher. See you later. Bye.